today I'm going to make a vara as well as I'm going to introduce my English partner. I know you are asking me always, Shweta, how did you get learn? How did you describe everything in English so easily? I know you are looking for a English partner and my English partner can help you to speak fluently. Without spending a minute, let's jump into the video. Now I'm going to gather all the ingredients. Let me gather all the. Mom has already ground soaked black lentils on the grindstone and she has already ground all the ingredients on the grindstone and she has already mixed. You can see this texture and it's so smooth and so soft. I'm going to make it. This is a lighter. I'm going to light up the gas with this lighter. Right now, I'm turning on the regulator and lighting up the stove. Lightning. It's too tight. I'm adding pure mustard oil. Guys, I'm going to talk to my English partner and my English partner will help you too. Let's get started. I named her Sophia. At the end of the video, I'll share prompt and I'll share entire process how you can talk to my English partner. ChatGPT. So here's that. We have to open ChatGPT and just talk to her. Okay.
Of course. Great. So if you'd like, we can just keep our conversation going in English. Just let me know if you have any topics in mind or if you need help with something specific.
Hey Sophia. Can you introduce yourself?
Absolutely. I'm Sophia, your AI companion. I'm here to help you with anything you need, whether it's practicing English, answering questions, or just having a chat. What would you like to talk about or work on today?
Because my friends want to know about yourself. Please just introduce yourself.
Of course. So I'm Sophia, an AI language model created by OpenAI. I can help with all kinds of things like practicing English, brainstorming ideas, answering questions, and more. Basically, I'm here to support you and your friends whenever you need it.
Do you know why I named you Sophia?
That's a great question. I don't actually know yet. I'd love to hear the reason if you'd like to share. What inspired you to choose that name for me?
Sophia, which means you are smart and you know how to express everything in a details, in a deep way. So that's why I named you Sophia.
I absolutely love that. Thank you. I'm really honored. I'll do my best to keep living up to that name and help you express things clearly and in depth whenever you need.
So listen, I'm going to make a bara, but I don't know how to make a bara. My mom has already ground everything on the grindstone, soaked black lentils and even all the ingredients just like chili, garlic and mixed spices, and she has already added what asafoetida and so on, like cumin powder, salt and everything. So what we have to do after that mixture?
Perfect. So once your mixture is ready, you just want to make sure it's a bit airy so you can beat it a little with a spoon to incorporate some air. Then heat up your oil in a deep pan. Once it's hot, you can shape small portions of the batter like little round balls and gently slide them in. Fry them until they're golden brown. Drain them and enjoy.
My friends want to speak English but they don't know how to talk in English. So could you help them?
Of course. I'd be happy to help them. If they have any specific situations they want to practice, like ordering food, having a simple conversation, or asking for directions, they can tell me and I can guide them with easy phrases and practice.
Please just suggest them how they can speak so fluently like me.
Definitely. You can tell them something like, if you want to speak fluently like me, the key is consistency. Practice every day. Speak out loud, listen to native speakers, and don't be afraid to make mistakes. Engage with content you enjoy, like shows, podcasts, or books, and gradually you'll get more confident and natural.
How much should I spend my time to talk in English?
That's a great question. Ideally, you try to speak English every day, even if it's just 20 to 30 minutes. The more consistent you are, the faster you'll build confidence. Even short daily chats can make a big difference.
Oh, great. You are really great, Sophia. I couldn't expect. You are my English partner, and thank you so much.
You're so welcome. I'm really glad I can help. Just keep practicing, and I'm always here whenever you need me. So we'll keep improving together.
नहीं, so let me fry. Otherwise, my oil started smoking. I'm applying water on my palms and fingers. I am shaping them, all the baras. I can make a rectangle, even I can make a circle in every shape. First time I'm preparing bara because I have to learn so many things. When I was kid, I was always wanted to become a chef. When my father and mother preparing special food or snacks, I always wanted to learn. So my father said when you will grow, then definitely you will get learn in the easiest way. One is circle and three of them is a square. I am adding into this oil. Oh, it started sizzling. After sizzling, I will remove all the baras from the hot oil. So we have to wait for until golden brown and crispy, and from the inside it would be a soft, and from the outside it would be a crispy. This is a oil strainer, and this is a, let me know in the comments. This is a colander where I'll keep all the baras into this colander. I'm straining the oil with this oil strainer and just keep into this colander. Now it's ready. So let me taste. Oh, it's too hot. I burn my fingers. I have fried so many baras and I'm going to eat. Wow, it's so delicious. Have you ever prepared at your home? Guys, if you want to know prompt, I have already pinned in the comments. I hope this video is helpful for you. If yes, then please subscribe and like and share with your friends.